Hi everyone, so this week we're adding on to some of the facades, particularly behind the assembly square here. We only in recent video we built the track loop on the upper city, running around at the end of the road there behind the cafe corner. And when we started building the facades here and separating out the buildings and having to remove the pet shop and the toy shop, as you can see here, we decided to see if what would look like if we extended the track loop down and brought it out between those two buildings, and we really liked the final product. So the temporarily final product. So we're going to leave it that way, and then we're really happy with how it turned out, and that's what we're building this week. So a few facades. We've changed the facade that we did there recently, made it a little bit wider, and we've put in another one as well alongside it. Not particularly the best mock facade in the world, but we got rid of some bricks and some windows that we had in stock that we wanted to use up somewhere. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and this week's update, and until the next time, see you later.